A brand new product is shaking up the citrus game. And it was created by our very favorite Chef Nettie Frank. This freeze-dried citrus will elevate any recipe, all without mess or waste. Chef Nettie is here to tell us more and show us recipes that we can make at home, from chicken to fruit pies, all with preserved citrus. I am so proud of you, sister.
It's so exciting.
We are just shaking our pom-poms because we love you, first of all. Anything that comes out of your beautiful brain is fantastic. But this in particular, you saw kind of a need and a niche.
Yes. So being in the culinary field and the hospitality industry for almost 30 years, this is something that I'm like, man, even as like a small caterer, how this would have helped me so much of, making sure we always have the lemon sliced and the lime sliced for the water and the drinks, or there's bartender and beverage services. So I just was like, oh my gosh, it's still such a need out there for the industry that I love so much. But not only just on a mass scale for the industry, but also at home. Like, everyone loves lemon, and not to say all the health benefits that go along with lemon in your water, right?
Yeah.
Alkalizing the water, all of that. So I had my own little freeze dryer. I've been talking to you guys here and like, oh, I made this and it's been so fun. And then it's like, oh, I was speaking at a conference and I was telling people how they can, maintain things in their own restaurants. And then at the end, they all went, well, where do I buy the product? And I was like, oh, you missed the whole conversation, like the whole talk.
Yeah, yeah.
And then I was like, oh. There's a major need. So, welcome to Satrive. We are about citrus, preserve, and reconstitute. So,
beautiful packaging. What have you bottled up? Lemons?
All right, so we've got lemons, sliced lemons, grapefruit, oranges, blood oranges, which we're gonna make our little mocktail here.
Okay.
But we also have lime wedges, lemon wedges, and they're even sliced, so you could just fill that container up with water and reconstitute if you had like a party,
and
right?
They're ready to go.
And they're ready to go.
Okay.
Blueberries, wild blueberries are fantastic, but I'm also going up a notch, and this is what's patent pending, is I'm doing vanilla bean paste on the orange and then some sugar, so now it's ready for all the toppings you need. We've got sugar and salt on some of the limes.
Sugared lemons, sugared limes?
Yes, and it's so good. And I'm gonna be playing more fun with, lavender dust and micro mint and all the fun things.
Amazing.
So it'll be lots more coming soon.
We're gonna start dessert first.
Let's do it.
That's our game.
Perfect. So if you can take these, and you can even have them as snacks, honestly. Just break a few of them up and put them on the bottom.
The bottom of the pie crust?
Yep, of the pie crust like that. And we're just gonna add, I've got strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, but we also provide a wild blueberry. Now this is great. You can just try it. Like the snacks. Oh yeah. Put it in your, parfaits. Put them in your drinks.
It's almost like a food trick.
Oh, I know. It like gives so many great things. So we're adding in sugar, cornstarch, and then just a little pinch of salt.
Okay.
And this is our mixture that we're going to be putting on top of the pie, on the pie crust and the lemons.
I don't have lemon juice all over my fingers, but it will reconstitute and bring that same bright flavor.
And it becomes nice and chewy, almost like a marmalade. So that's where our beautiful pie comes into play. So the next item we're gonna do is a mocktail.
Okay.
And back to the pie, because we have to do dessert first, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna bake this at like 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And then we have this beautiful pie. And again, when you cut into it in the bottom, it's almost like the citrus is now nice and just marmalade-y. It's so divine.
All right, I drink my calories.
Okay, perfect. So now this is our blood oranges. These are just gorgeous. You can even take them and crumble them up in vanilla ice cream and stuff, and now you've got a delicious thing. So we're gonna fill this up with ice, and we put the citrus. I like to put the blood orange or whatever citrus item you're using just kind of right there in the ice. Because we have like freeze-dried items, we remove all the moisture, but it preserves it in its natural state, flavor, color, all of that. So it can reconstitute to where you can squeeze it again.
Oh my goodness.
Let me show you the difference really fast. This is dehydrated. Nothing wrong with dehydrated, but there's the difference. You can reconstitute this. It's beautiful. You can squeeze it. This you can't, unfortunately.
It's done.
So it's done. So anyways, that's the difference there.
Cool.
All right, so we've got our ice. We're gonna do a little cranberry juice. We're gonna do a little grapefruit juice.
And immediately the flavor of that blood orange is starting to work.
Oh yeah, it's reconstituting right as we are speaking right now.
This is so cool.
And so probably it'll take, with any cold liquid, it'll take maybe like a minute or two.
Okay.
But if you have any, this is fresh mint from the garden, of course.
It is, of course.
But if you have hot water, like if you want just hot water and lemon, it's reconstituted instantly. it's
I
incredible.
can already taste, yeah.
Do
Fresh,
you love it?
delicious.
Yeah. And you know, seriously, my friend was just eating the lemons all by itself, just as a snack. Put it on your charcuterie board so then you can pile on your meats and cheeses on that. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
This is more, you know, I wouldn't do something that just had one purpose.
You're the best, you're the best. Let's go dinner, 1 minute left.
Dinner, 1 minute left. Okay, so we're gonna put all of our citrus, hurry, grab citrus.
go.
Yep, and put it on here. We're just gonna line them up.
What are we making?
So this is our Satrive chicken.
Okay.
So this, I crumble up the citrus and I add olive oil and I score the chicken, add salt and pepper, and now we just put it right on top and we're baking at 375 for about 25 to 35 minutes.
Just like that?
Just like that, and it's done. Look at that, look how beautiful, and that's it.
Dinner.
It's done.
Are you
Dinner's done,
kidding?
you guys.
All of a sudden, we're all chefs, thanks to Nettie. This
Exactly.
is fantastic. Okay,
Yes.
Satrive.
Satrive.
You saw it here first. Where can we get it?
So you can go to satrive.com and there it is, or follow me on Chef Nettie Frank on any of the social media outlets, and I've got, you know, all the things
You're going to show us how to use it.
Always.
So satrive.com
Yes.
to order. Chef Nettie Frank, as always, for
Yes.
delicious recipes to help you use this awesome new product. I'm proud of you, sister.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Great to share this space
Yes.
with you.
Thank you for having me.